When it comes to generating creative content, two popular AI tools stand out, Copy.ai and Jasper. But which one is more accurate? Let's dive into it, and I'll give you the answer you're looking for by the end of this video. Stick around because I'll also be recommending a better alternative that I think might just blow both of them out of the water. Let's start with Copy.ai. This tool is known for its fast and efficient content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or email newsletters, Copy.ai promises to deliver content with minimal input. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it accessible to beginners. However, when it comes to accuracy, especially for long-form content, Copy.ai can sometimes miss the mark. You might find yourself needing to tweak the output to match your brand's voice or tone more closely. The accuracy is solid, but not always spot on for more nuanced or complex topics. Next thing, let's talk about Jasper. This tool is often praised for its versatility and deep learning capabilities. With Jasper, you can generate long-form content that feels a lot more human-like than what Copy.ai often produces. The platform offers templates for everything from SEO-focused blog posts to email campaigns. When it comes to accuracy, Jasper tends to do a better job at understanding context and providing more relevant content. But here's the catch: while Jasper's output is generally more accurate, it does require a bit more guidance. Sometimes, it takes a couple of attempts to get the tone just right. And with the higher price tag, some users may find that Jasper doesn't always live up to its premium price point. The third thing to consider is customization. Both tools allow for some degree of personalization, but Jasper takes the lead here. Jasper's content becomes more accurate as you provide more detailed feedback, helping it adapt better to your specific needs. Copy. AI is quicker to generate content, but might not adapt as fluidly, making it less ideal for more specialized creative projects. Next, let's discuss the learning curve. Copy.ai is known for being more beginner-friendly. You don't have to spend a lot of time getting used to the platform, which is a huge plus if you need content fast. Jasper, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve due to its broader range of features and customization options. But once you get the hang of it, you'll likely find it more powerful. Lastly, both tools have their strengths, but when it comes to accuracy in generating creative content, Jasper typically edges out Copy.ai. Jasper's content feels more refined, more relevant, and generally requires fewer revisions, especially for in-depth, long-form writing. So, both Copy.ai and Jasper are good options for generating creative content, but after trying both myself, I found that there's a better alternative for those who really want precision and creativity at their fingertips. If you're looking for the most accurate AI tool for creative content generation, you'll want to check out the first link in the description for a free trial that offers exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth checking out. These tools can work well for many, but if you want something even better, give the alternative a try. You won't be disappointed.